Hello everybody, so welcome to the third lesson. This is the third video, the video number 3. So in this video also we are going to work with the question, the answer, the function number 3. So what will be that? It's going to be the count, the counter, the count blanks. So in advanced Excel, you can learn online. Come and learn all your functions by following George Drummond on Facebook, George Drummond on Twitter, George Drummond on Instagram, George Drummond on YouTube. So all those videos will be available on those social media. So follow me now with the third video. If I click on the link, we are going to those table. We are going to see the answer of this question. But first of all, they are telling you to count information, to know the cell that contains information. But those are the cells where the number and the letters are placed in the cell. But some cells are empty, there is no value. Some are empty, there's no names and also so on. But now with the count first, counts is to count all the 10 values. To do what? To count all the cells that. Hope you are with me. Or to show the number of all the sum of all the cells that we have selected. So we have to know first of all the definition of that. Working with the count, so you can take your time and learn this and read this. It's going to help. It's going to help you to work in advanced Excel easier. Videos, you are going to learn your advanced Excel home. This article describes the formula, syntax, and the uses of the count function Excel. So read it carefully and see what will be. I come down to the first question. I have to answer the cell that contains information. I'm going to count all the cells. I'm going to do that. I click on equal and I take count. And I select the entire table as we can see here. And I click on enter. And I go down to the table. This is the answer. As in the what? The 57. What does mean 57? Where the 57 came from? The 57 came from the number we are having. Where the number is 33 plus 33 is going to give us something. Blank space. So wheresoever we are seeing numbers is where for us, and leaving what? The letters with the alphabet, but it's work with the numeric. So that is what is in the back of your mind. The count, let me repeat, the count doesn't have letters, but the count works of your mind. And we come down to the counter. The counter, that is also a built-in function. So we have to take the full data. So taking the counter here is, so take your time, also read it, understand it. It's going to help you. This article describes the formula, syntax, and the uses of the function in Microsoft Excel. So learning those functions is going to also your cell that contains value, including what? And the letter. That is also you have to keep at the back of your mind. So be home and learn your advanced Excel online. Follow me on Twitter. So we get down to the counter. I click on the equal sign and I type the name Counta. The counter is down here. what am I going to do now? And select a place is what they are going to count for us, and I enter. So what will be the answer is what is 1. Why? Everything has been counted, but where number? That is how to count. Use the counter. So I come down also. How can we use the count? So this, the countBlank also is going to count all the which doesn't have the cell which have any value. So it's going to combine all the cell that look in and display that answer for you and mean that the empty cell here what we can find and where we can find any value. So and read this carefully. You are going to learn many things about the count. I close it and I type the formula here. Count, double click on it, and also I should do what to the entire table and select as where we are seeing what the blank is, where the countBlank is going to find space. So it's going to be number 10. Space is 10. So, ladies and thank you so far. Follow me on YouTube to learn the rest of the function. So we are seeing learning one after the other, step by step learning. George Dramo, Facebook, George Dramo, Instagram. So on all the social media you will find me, even on Google. Thank you so far. We are going to meet in the next video. Bye.